When a database system crashes, transaction atomicity and durability must be preserved. We use undo and redo operations to restore the database to a consistent state. Write-ahead logging records updates before changing actual data files. The log file tracks active transactions, their updates, and their commit or abort status. If a transaction is committed at the time of a crash, we redo it to guarantee durability. If it was active but uncommitted, we undo its changes to guarantee atomicity. During undo, the system scans backward from the end of the log. For active transaction T2, we restore data item B to its old value of 50, effectively rolling back the change. During redo, we scan forward from the log start. Since T1 committed, we must ensure its update to A is written. We reapply the new value of 150. By executing redo for committed transactions and undo for uncommitted ones, the recovery manager guarantees that the database returns to a completely consistent state.